A younger person was chosen to love you deeply because there are connections in life that do not follow logic. They do not obey age, timing, or society's quiet rules. They arrive silently, and once they arrive, they change you forever. This is the story of why a younger person was chosen to love you deeply. Not by accident, not by chance, but by a design far greater than both of you. So listen carefully, because if this message found you, it was meant to. Introduction. When love breaks the clock, age is a number the world respects, but love respects something else entirely. Love listens to the soul. Love recognizes familiarity beyond time. Love does not ask, "How old are you?" It asks, "Do you feel like home?" And that is why a younger person was chosen to love you deeply. Not because they were naive, not because they were curious, but because their soul remembered yours. Somewhere beyond calendars, beyond birthdays, beyond years, they recognized you. And once a soul recognizes another soul, distance disappears, fear softens, and the heart begins to speak a language the mind cannot translate. Subscribe now to Psych Secrets and be part of a journey where every video inspires you to see life with a new perspective. Reason 1. Because your soul carries an old light. You don't realize this about yourself, but your soul is older than your body. You have lived through emotional storms. You've learned lessons the hard way. You've lost things that mattered and survived things that should have broken you. Your silence holds wisdom. Your eyes hold stories. Your presence feels grounding. And a younger soul, one that is still learning the rhythm of the world, was drawn to that light, not to be protected by you, but to learn with you. They saw in you something rare, emotional safety, inner calm, a depth they didn't yet have words for. You became a place where their heart could rest. That is why they didn't love you loudly at first. They loved you carefully, like someone touching something sacred. Reason 2. Because they needed your emotional stability. Youth carries intensity. Feelings arrive like waves, fast, powerful, overwhelming. But you feel deeply without drowning. You understand pauses. You understand silence. You understand patience. To a younger heart, that stability feels like oxygen. They were not running toward excitement. They were running away from emotional chaos. And in you, they found a steady emotional rhythm, a heart that doesn't panic, a presence that doesn't disappear when things get real. They didn't fall for your age. They fell for the way you stay. Reason 3. Because you see them, not just their potential. Many people look at younger souls and see who they could become. You looked at them and saw who they already are. That changed everything. You didn't rush them. You didn't try to mold them. You didn't make them feel small. Instead, you listened. And being truly listened to is one of the rarest forms of love. They felt respected by you. And respect, when combined with emotional safety, turns into devotion. Reason 4. Because time does not threaten you. You are not afraid of time. You don't rush connections. You don't force outcomes. You don't demand instant certainty. That calm confidence told their heart something important. This person isn't here to use me. They're here to understand me. And understanding creates intimacy far deeper than attraction. They trusted you because you weren't chasing them. You were simply present. Reason 5. Because you helped them feel emotionally mature. When a younger person loves deeply, it's often because someone made them feel emotionally grown. You didn't talk down to them. You didn't treat them like a phase. You spoke to their mind. You honored their feelings. You made them feel capable of real love. And once a person feels emotionally capable, they want to give love fully to you. Reason 6. because you awakened their self-awareness. Love isn't always soft at first. Sometimes it's confronting. Your presence made them reflect. Your questions made them think. Your silence made them introspect. You didn't just make them feel good. You made them feel real. And that kind of love doesn't fade easily. Transforms. Reason 7. Because they feel safe being vulnerable with you. They shared fears with you they don't share with others. They admitted doubts. They revealed insecurities. And you didn't judge. You didn't minimize. You didn't run. You stayed. For a younger soul, staying is everything. Reason 8. Because you don't need to prove your worth. You don't chase validation. You don't perform for love. Your authenticity gave them permission to be authentic too. And when two people stop performing, true connection begins. Reason 9. Because they feel emotionally understood, not controlled. You didn't try to own them. You didn't cage their freedom. You gave them space without distance. That balance is rare, and rare things are cherished. Reason 10. Because you feel like fate, not a choice. Some connections feel chosen. Others feel destined. This one felt destined. They didn't plan to love you. They didn't expect it. It happened quietly, then all at once. When a younger person loves you, they love differently. They love with curiosity, with admiration, with a sense of reverence. They learn from you. They grow beside you. They feel emotionally expanded by you. But their love is not weak. It is loyal. It is sincere. It is brave. The fear you both feel but don't speak about. Yes, there is fear. Fear of judgment. Fear of timing. Fear of misunderstanding. But love that arrives despite fear is never ordinary. What this connection is teaching you, this love wasn't meant to complicate your life. It was meant to soften you, to remind you that you are still deeply lovable. Your heart still inspires devotion. Your presence still heals. And to remind them that love can be calm. Depth is beautiful. Safety is attractive. Final message. If this person found you, they were chosen because your soul needed to be seen, and theirs needed to be guided, not controlled. Not forever perhaps, not without challenges, but deeply, truly, meaningfully. Some loves come to stay, some come to awaken, but all chosen loves leave a mark that time cannot erase. And if a younger person chose to love you deeply, it's because your soul spoke to theirs, before the world could speak louder. Subscribe now to Psych Secrets and be part of a journey where every video inspires you to see life with a new perspective.